Raj says hello Tesla. Raj fans, welcome to 104050 preview.
Hi. He said hi! It works! Oh my god, that's amazing. All right, as you saw, this is the new 2019.40.50. You've probably by now seen the release notes. We've got the driving visualization improvements, which I'll show you. This is stop signs and stop road markings. Voice commands, you just saw the text messaging, but we're going to test all of this stuff here. There's some phone improvements, camping mode, which a lot of people were asking about, and what difference does this have than just keeping your HVAC on. Tesla Theater. You can now watch Twitch. So Twitch has arrived in Tesla Theater. Looks like there's some new games. Stardew Valley, Backgammon, voice keyboard. There's the new, I tweeted about this, the music app where you can now make beats in your Tesla. Save dash cam footage just by honking the horn. So when you get into an accident, boom, you're good to go. Driver profiles. Looks like more stuff is saved as a driver profile. And some language support. So let's get into it and take a look at this. Open the glove box. Oh my god, cheap thrills. This is so convenient. I mean, that voice command ability. All right, what else can I do? Set the temperature to 66 degrees. Oh my god, life on the road has just gotten safer and better. Turn off the air. Oh, wow. Wow, this is awesome. Okay. Show me the rear camera. All right. Show me autopilot settings. Let's try if we can close the rear camera. Close the rear camera. No, my god, it's so smart. It's so smart. All right, so we just did voice commands, and one important line is this one right here. It's basically saying if you say something that it doesn't understand, it's going to be sent back to the mothership to train and improve the system in future software updates. So expect the AI in the car to only get smarter. This is getting on like the Google Alexa wavelength. This is going to be awesome. And then when we look at the phone menu here, obviously we saw messages before, but look at the other options that we get down here. You've now got access to your favorites from your phone and your messages, what previously we only had, recents, contacts, and dialers. So 2 new menus that further enhance your experience with your phone in the car. So the next one was camp mode. Now, previously you could keep climate control on, and that just kept your climate on. But now with camp mode, if you think about it, and you're camping in the forest or whatever, now you can not only maintain the airflow and temperature, but the interior lighting, as well as be able to play music and power your devices or charge them off of USB. So it really becomes a perfect camping vehicle now, which was not able to be done before. And then below that is the Tesla Theater. So let's jump into the Tesla Theater and take a look at what new stuff we've got there. And you'll see here, for all of you gaming fans out there, Twitch has now made it here, and I expect this whole menu to eventually get filled up. This is awesome. New stuff coming. So Twitch fans will be very pleased with that. All right, this is Trax. This is the new beat making studio in your car tool. Keep in mind it's V0.1, so it'll probably get way better, but we're going to try to make some beats. So Trax is not working right now. Thinking it's, in the beta, so, but it will be there and it will be awesome. I guarantee it. But right now we'll just have to, move on to other stuff. Let's check out what even more comes in this software update. Okay, so this is a new feature under safety and security. If we scroll down here, dash cam now has the ability to save clips on honk. So if you find yourself into an accident and, you know, you honk the horn, it will, no need to worry about, did I capture what happened? It will auto capture it as long as you hit your horn, which most of us do. I would hope so. So here's Twitch, for those of you that want to know what it looks like, but it basically looks like your Twitch on your computer. But yeah, here it is in the Flex. All right, those of you all who are the gamers in life, here is their 2 new games, Stardew Valley and Backgammon. So I think Backgammon is, you know, your standard backgammon. 2 players, 2 sides, one is light, one is dark. But let's check out this Stardew Valley. This looks like, so you've inherited your godfather's old farm plot. Let's just take a look at what it looks like. No, I don't need tutorials. Wow, this... So you're a farmer. So you put a name, your farm. Favorite thing. Tesla. Alright. Can we start? There we go. Is that Santa? Looks like Santa. I don't know if anybody really wants to watch this, but let's just look at the gameplay real quick. Oh, sound is pretty good. Nice little surround sound. Ooh, look at that. It's like a little, like, kind of like a Zelda style. Very cool. Wow. All right. Well, that is... Let's get out of that. Cool. Well, that's that. And then, obviously, those of you who have played Backgammon before, you know what Backgammon's all about. You can choose to play against Tesla, the passenger, or the driver. We can do, yeah, driver, passenger, new game. I've never played Backgammon before, so my apologies. I don't know what I'm doing, but the graphics on this look really, really good. All right, so now we are taking the car out. We're going to try to show you all the visualization. So you'll see here a stop sign showing up right there, and there was a stop sign right there. So there it was. And let's see what else we can find and see in this new visualizations. Now, I want to stop right here. You see what's showing up on the screen? Those are garbage cans. And I will show you right here, they're garbage cans right there. So, and they show up on the visualization on the screen. So it is garbage day in my neighborhood. That's what you'll see. All these garbage cans out and about. Now, one thing I will show you that's coming up ahead, you see the stop, right? You see the stop road, you see a stop sign, and there it is. Here's the stop sign and the stop on the road, and here it is on the visualization. Now we kind of went over, but you can see the car's right over it. It's literally right over the stop on the road, and I think it is drawing that. I don't think it's accurately seeing it on the camera as to where it is, so, but that's fine. It's actually a very nice visualization. Now, here we go. You'll see here are the traffic lights represented, and here they are at where we're at. So here they are, and here they are here. And you'll see that they turn green when these guys turn green. How amazing is that? And here comes another stop sign situation. So I'll show you, here's the stop, and here it is represented on the screen. Okay, so we're going in this left-hand turn lane right now. I don't know if you can see it. And you'll see on the visualization, see? We're in a left turn lane because we're in the left turn lane. Who would have thought? Elon Musk, you damn genius. And there's a cone showing up. And you see the lights showing up. Look at that. Look at all the lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the 4 lights, and there they are on the screen. This is great. Okay, one thing we want to test is there's a railroad crossing coming up soon, but you see the floor is marked railroad crossing. We'll check this out in the visualization. You see the X's? Railroad crossings! See? And here's the railroad. That was awesome. I see 5 stoplights. 5 stoplights are rendered on the screen. No more counting cars. Now it's counting stoplights. Stop lights.